You've got a to-do list. Maybe it's digital, maybe it's scribbled on the back of a receipt, or maybe it's just floating in the anxious part of your brain that whispers, you forgot something at 3 a.m. But what if I told you that to-do list isn't just a guilt factory? It's actually your success blueprint, if you know how to use it right. Today, we're breaking down how to take your dusty list of half-finished chores and turn it into a system that levels up your productivity, purpose, and peace of mind. Let's turn your I should really do this into I crushed this, and here's what's next. Let's start with a truth bomb. Your current to-do list? Probably broken. Not because you're lazy, not because you didn't buy that overpriced productivity planner from Instagram, but because we were never taught how to use them right. Here's how most people use to-do lists. Write down everything you can possibly think of. Get overwhelmed. Procrastinate. Maybe check one thing off, like make to-do list, just for the dopamine hit. Cry? Optional, but relatable. Time for a rebrand. Your to-do list isn't just a checklist, it's a success blueprint, a strategic roadmap that connects today's tasks with tomorrow's wins. Imagine if each task wasn't just a thing you had to do, but a puzzle piece in the larger vision of your career, your health, your side hustle, or even your inner peace. Yes, do laundry can be part of your self-mastery journey, especially if you haven't seen your socks since 2024. Here's how we start reframing. Ask, why am I doing this? What goal does this task connect to? Will future me thank me or block me on LinkedIn? Now let's build it. The Success Blueprint system uses 3 layers, vision-based categories. Split your to-do list by life categories, not just random bullets. Examples: career goals, wellness and health, relationships and connection, creative projects, maintenance and adulting. Now every task gets filtered through a why. Suddenly, send resume becomes a career move, and meal prep becomes an act of self-respect. High-impact tasking. Each day, pick 3 high-impact tasks that will move the needle. Don't get tricked by productivity theater, highlighting emails in different colors instead of answering them. 1 hit a day in each category is greater than 10 meaningless checkbox moments. Example: high-impact career task, pitch new freelance client. High-impact wellness task, walk outside for 45 minutes without doom scrolling. High-impact creative task, write the first paragraph, not the whole novel. Small wins that stack? That's the blueprint magic. Time-boxed blocks. Here's where it gets spicy. Schedule the task. If it doesn't live on your calendar, it lives rent-free in your brain, and that's already overcrowded. Use 25-minute Pomodoro sprints, 90-minute deep work sessions, or silent disco focus blocks if you're extra. Tie each time block to a category and a goal. Now it's not due taxes, it's Tuesday at 3 p.m. equals future billionaire vibes. Okay, now we hack your brain's reward system. Let's introduce dopamine stacking. This isn't about tricking yourself into productivity with guilt. It's about associating good feelings with doing what matters. Let's walk through some real-life examples of this blueprint in action. Scenario 1. Side hustle. Sasha works 9 to 5 but wants to build a YouTube channel. Old method: post video sometime this week. New method: categories, vision, niche, and creative growth. Hit task: script next video Monday, edit Wednesday, and post Friday. Time blocks: 7 to 10 a.m. daily with jazz and coffee. Reward: after posting video, eat sushi and watch other YouTubers. Results: 10,000 subscribers in 3 months. Why? Because vague dreams became calendar reality. Scenario 2. Anxious overachiever. Alex has 40 things on their list and constant dread. Old method: try to do them all. Burnout: repeat. New method: categories, health, home, and hobbies. Hit tasks: therapy at 11 a.m., declutter desk, then bake banana bread. Dopamine reward: a nice bubble bath plus a playlist that makes you feel like a kid again. Result: less chaos, more peace. And you finally found the floor under your laundry pile. Scenario 3. Promotion-minded. Priya wants to level up at work. Old method: do what's asked. Hope someone notices. New method: category, her career. Hit tasks: present new idea at Monday meeting, schedule one-on-one with manager, and update LinkedIn profile. Time blocks: calendar alerts with emojis. Reward: Friday dinner plus knowing she owns her growth. She didn't just get promoted, she became the team's go-to leader. Before you run off and color code your entire existence, let's talk about what not to do. Mistake number 1: over-planning. If you spend more time organizing your to-do list than doing anything on it, congratulations, you're cosplaying productivity. Solution: set a timer for planning, 10 minutes, max. Mistake number 2, shame tasking. Don't write tasks like, stop being a lazy failure. You're not your productivity. You're not behind. You're just retooling your system. Use kind language. Start small, focus for 15 minutes, shoot for progress, not perfection. Mistake number 3, no flexibility. Life happens, Wi-Fi dies, and dogs eat the homework. Build in buffer time and move tasks without guilt. A real success blueprint is adaptive, not rigid. Here's the truth. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. You just need to reimagine how you manage your day. Because every to-do list is a chance to build your future, one intentional task at a time. So turn off the noise, open your calendar, and ask, what's the one thing I can do today that future me will be hyped about? If this helped you rethink your to-do list, drop a comment. What's your number one success task today? Let's make the comment section your accountability squad. And don't forget to subscribe and check out the channel for more semi-serious life upgrades and real productivity hacks that can help you just flat out win. And always remember, try harder, fail better, and keep rising. Now go be great.